Sanibonani mphakathi waseThwasa, igama lami nguNompumelelo waseSikhosana. Namhlanje sila emaphupheni eMashonisa besizoseva abobhuti bethu laba abama-victims wama-drugs and substance users. Sibone kukuhle nje namhlanje ukuthi sibaseve, sibaphe isobho kule khaza elingaka. Siyazi ukuthi bahlala khona lana, abanye babo bahlala khona la esikolweni bagadile. So sibone kukuhle namhlanje ukuthi sibaphe isobho bafuthumale nabo bafane nathi sonke. The aim was to give abobhuti bethu, since sazi ukuthi bona bahlala estradini, abana shelter most of them, and it's not time ukuthi manje sijudge abantwana nabobhuti bethu ukuthi why bahleli estradini. So i-aim yanamhlanje ne-vision bekuyibo, kodwa wonke umphakathi welcome as long as ibhodo lethu lisesenokudla sizopha wonke umuntu welcome. For now, because this is Sacala and we have financial constraints, sizobe senzela la only on Thursdays. Siyafisa ukuthi singaba save more, siyafisa ukuthi singayenza on more days, but because of our finances okwamanje sizoyenza on Thursdays on 12 like Mashonisa. The reason why ngiqale lento it's because nginokubabona bamemashop bacela ama 1 rand wamakhekhe, nginokubona abanye amadodi Tuesdays bakhupha amadodi. So ngabona ukuthi noma ngabe kuncane kangakanani but ngingayenza different. As much as today I was serving khona bebabuya baphakela ukuthi sizodla later, so ngiyabona ukuthi iyenzile difference kakhulu. Anyone is welcome, whether it's sponsor, whether it's volunteer. As you can see today I was serving alone. Anyone who welcome ukuzozongisiza, whether ukupheka, whether ukuseva, whether ukudonate. It can be even impahla, ingubo, anything esingakhona ukuthi sibasize ngayo, anything is welcome. Sitholakala khona la Monday to Friday from 6 AM until 4 PM. Yes, siyatholakala ku 082 667 4989. Siyatholakala futhi na ku Facebook Siyathanda Stimulation Center.